Hello guys. Hello guys, this is Riley and Daddy again. So, Riley, tapos na namin linisin ang yeah. Finish na natin linisin yung aquarium. So, we were gonna buy a hamster things. Yeah. Babay na tayo ng hamster. Yes, we will go to the pet shop. So, pupunta kami ng pet shop. So, kagandahan lang, walking distance lang yung pet shop. Yeah, it's night time. What? It's night time. Let's go. Your mask, wear mo yung mask mo. Riley, yung mask. Yung mask mo.
What's that blinking sign?
That's a broken light.
Is that blinking?
Yeah. Yan yung car.
Is that blinking one?
Yes. So ayan guys, malapit na kami sa pet shop. Dito na siya. Hi Riley! Riley! What are we gonna buy?
The hamster.
The hamster. Ayan.
It's opened.
It's open, so let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, hold my hand.
It's open.
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 That's the pet shop.
Let's
Go Riley, go. Slowly lang ah. Yeah. Pare! Howdy pare! We will buy hamster things.
There's the hamster.
There's the hamster oh. There it is. I will buy this one pare. Yeah, you can have a kit.
Can
Yeah.
you touch him?
Yeah.
Can you touch him?
Later. This one and this one. What color do you want, Riley? Blue?
Yeah, blue.
Blue? Okay. Give me. Give me. Yeah. What's the food for the hamster, pa?
I don't know. Get
Pee pee. This one for hamster also? This? How much is this?
2.5.
2.5, expensive. Very expensive, huh?